The construction club are going on a trip to the fire station. They're going to make some changes to it. This is how it looks now. And this is how it's going to look after. It's going to be fantastic. First, Daisy is going to help knock the old building down. Nice swing, Daisy. There we go. Good as new. Now, they just need to check everything works, so it's ready for a real emergency. First, let's test the fire alarm. Oops, that's not the right noise. And that's very loud. Mr. Rubble wants him to turn it off. Phew. Well, at least it's working. Next, they need to test the fire station doors. Looks like they shut perfectly. But oh no, the door isn't opening again. It's stuck. Meanwhile, Digley is going to test the fire hose. Hooray! That works really well. Uh-oh, the tap isn't turning off and the station is flooding. Careful, Daisy. Digley is still trapped inside. What are Daisy and Mr. Rubble going to do now? The water is still rising. This better work. It worked! Out comes all the water. Ashley has turned off the tap. And I think she likes her new home. Mission accomplished. Nice work, team. Wow, it's a wonderful snowy day at Construction HQ. What are they building today? A gingerbread house? Mmm, tasty. Look at all that gingerbread. Ooh. They're building the house at the top of that hill. Whoa! It's a long way up and a steep climb. Be careful, Bump. Oh no! A piece of gingerbread has snapped. But Mrs. Skip is collecting the pieces. I wonder why. They're at the top. It's time to build. Go team! Good job, Digley and Daisy. Now CJ is gluing the walls together with icing sugar. Be careful, Daisy. That gingerbread breaks very easily. Uh-oh! CJ's to the rescue. Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Oh dear. Digley is lifting the next piece. Oh no, not again. Be careful, everyone. This is very tricky. The gingerbread keeps breaking. They're working as a team to glue the broken pieces back together. It worked! Wow! Look at that gingerbread house. That was great teamwork, everyone. It looks very tasty. Nope, Daisy. This gingerbread isn't for eating. But Mrs. Skip has made snacks out of the broken gingerbread pieces. Yippee! Now this gingerbread you can eat, Daisy. Yum, yum. Delicious. It's a snowy day at the construction site. Look, Digley and Daisy are having a snowball fight. Oh no, they almost hit Mr. Rubble. And he looks angry, but he was only joking. I wonder what they're building today. A snowman? That's going to be so fun. Wait a second. Oh, it's a giant snowman. Wow, it's going to be huge. Everyone's working together to make giant snowballs for the snowman. Here they come. It's time to assemble. Wow, that was close. Miss Skip is working on the head. Look, there's the mouth. Digley also bought some things. A traffic cone for the nose and some old tyres for eyes. Nice teamwork. There! It's finished! Oh no! Mr. Rubble slipped! Careful! The snowman is about to fall! Watch out! Quick, Mr. Rubble! It's catching Digley too! Phew! That was a close one. Oh no! It caught Mr. Rubble! Careful! Poor Mr. Rubble. His giant snowman is ruined. But Digley and Dazey won't give up that easy. They'll build another one. Everyone is working together to build the snowman as good as new. Yay! It didn't fall this time. Amazing work, everyone. Not giving up always pays off in the end. It's almost Christmas, and the construction crew are building the Christmas market. There is so much to do. Everyone is really busy. What's that, Mr. Rubble? Is that a brand new entrance built out of coloured blocks for the market? Amazing! Here comes Bump with the blocks. Wow, they look heavy. What's Digley doing? He can't get it to stay still. Bump is going to help him. Teamwork is the key. Wow, that big hit made everything shake. Oh no, the blocks are rolling away. Now the wagon is stuck on the frozen pond. What are they going to do? What's that sound? Oh no, the blocks fell through the ice and sank into the pond. How will they build the arch now? Poor Mr. Rubble. Dazey seems to have an idea. What is she up to? Whoa! Dazey made a block out of ice. What an amazing idea. They can use the ice blocks to build the arch. Dazey is getting them out of the pond and Digley is making the arch. Last few for CJ to move. There! They made it! Here comes Mr. Rubble. Yay! He looks so happy. Well done, everyone. It's Construction HQ. What's in store today? Those flowers don't look very well. They need some water. Time to save those flowers. Daddy Bus is very worried about his flowers. Not to worry, the gang are here to help. Those flowers really need some water, but the sprinkler is broken. There is no water coming out. What are they going to do? Aha! A water wheel! Maybe this can help somehow. When the water wheel moves, water comes out of the sprinkler. Keep it moving, Digley. Oopsie! How do they keep the water wheel moving? Dazey is splashing the water. When the water moves, it pushes the wheel. Hooray! Look at all that water! Wait, what? The water has stopped moving. That big pink ball is blocking the slide and stopping the water coming down to move the water wheel. Dazey is going to push the ball down. Uh-oh, the ball is very bouncy. It's Digley's turn. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Dazey is helping. Almost there. Whee! It worked! They did it! The sprinkler is working again. And the flowers are back to life. What brilliant work, team! Time for a reward. Whee! Look at them go! It's Halloween at Construction HQ, and the gang are about to go trick-or-treating. Mr. Rubble is very proud of his costume. Cowboys aren't that scary, Mr. Rubble. It's time to head off. Mr. Rubble is putting Kitten to bed. Night-night, Kitten. What is she up to? The gang are off trick-or-treating. That's a very scary house. Daisy is scared to knock. You can do it, Daisy. The door was open. It's a bit spooky in here. How did that bucket fall over? And what are those footprints? There's a monster in here. And it's under Mr. Rubble's hat. What is it? It was just Kitten all along. This house isn't haunted after all. Oh, Kitten, you're so cheeky. Before they go, it's time to fix that creaky door. Digley is oiling it to stop it from creaking. And the creak is gone. That's much better. Happy Halloween! The gang are getting ready for Halloween. And today, they're building a pumpkin stand at the farm. Digley is putting on the finishing touches. Oh look, it's Terry Tractor. He looks very happy with his new stand. Oops, all the pumpkins are falling. Oh dear, Daisy is covered in pumpkin. She looks a bit scary. She looks like a pumpkin monster. Look, it's Buster and Scout. Ah! Daisy has scared them away. It's given Daisy an idea. Buster and Scout are terrified of the pumpkin monster. There it is. Digley knows it's only Daisy, and it's given him an idea for a prank as well. Daisy is trying to scare Digley. But what's that? Boo! Don't worry, Daisy. It was just Scout, Digley and Buster, dressed up like pumpkins. Here's Terry the Tractor to check up on them. What's all this? Ooh. What a scary bunch! Terry is rewarding them all for their hard work with a fruit basket. Yum, yum.